visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. Here today we are going to learn levels of abstraction. Levels of abstraction. Sometimes it is called as view of data. Here, this is very important actually. Here, when we are going to design a database, everyone will design based on this today's topic. That is the levels of abstraction. Also called as view of data. View of data is also called as level. In your syllabus, they mentioned the levels of abstraction. Please note it down. Here, what is the intention of these levels of abstraction? Or maybe the view of data. Right. Sure. Before starting, I will ask some questions, and we must know why it is required in the database. Now, generally, we know, for example, the academic data, if you take, when you are going to join, where you are going to report, where we are going to submit your complete data as a student. Tell me, anyone?
Admin block.
Hello? Yeah, admin. The admin people, we are interacted with admin. The people are created with hall ticket number of your record. So like that, all students are going to uh, report it to the admin office. Then they are created one file on there. Now data is with initially we are given to admin. People are created the data. Please understand the procedure, please. Now, after given all the data, here all means all computer science, mechanical, civil, all the students are given data to in admin office. Yes or no? Physically. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, physically you are given your data. Then after some days, the classwork is started. At that time, you are reported to your concerned department. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you are not given. That data is given by the administrative office to examination branch as well as concerned departments. Correct? Whatever the data you are given, same data is transferred to concerned departments logically. So physically you are given your data into admin office. The logically the data is came to your related departments. Accepted? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Response is required. Please. Now, sir, once the data is came to logically to the department, from department, different people are going to extract data from the department in different ways. For example, faculty will access all the data for classwork, for attendance and classwork, all these things. Correct? Yes or no? All the data, all faculty will teach subject for all the students, only category of only particular students. All means all class students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The department contains all section students, logical data. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But different subject faculty, they are going to teach the subject, means accessing the data for only particular students, particular section students. They're not all sections. I'm teaching now A section students. Like that, different faculty, assigned faculty, they can extract only their required data from the complete data from the department, from the logical. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, placement people are going to access the data from the department, only the people who are having above 80%. they want to provide some training, they want to give some training for the company itself. Means out of all the students, they have taken only their required data. Is it right or wrong? So they are not going to give all the students to one any company. They are going to give only selected students for the trial. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, examination branch are going to conduct supplementary examination for all students or only selected students who are having backup. Tell me, reply is required.
Yes, sir.
What is Madhuketan? This means
Who are having backlogs, sir?
uh, means every one who are going to access the database, so they are not accessing complete database. They are going to access only the required data. Placement people want only particular data. And admin office people want only the students who are not paid fee of the semester. Examination people wants to conduct examination who are having backups. And the class teacher or the subject faculty is going to access only particular related students who are belongs to the particular section. Here, sometimes some of the administrative people they will call students who are having the fee reimbursement. Here, total data is there from the department logically. Actually, total data is there physically in the ground, but it is divided to different departments. Again, any information they want, they are going to access the data, but particularly what data they want, they are going to extract. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Here, I want the response from all the students. Only one or two guys are responding. So if you are not responding means I will feel you are not following or you are not listening my class. Don't waste the time unnecessarily. Quickly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you observe this data, even girls are not responding. Why? People, girls are not joined today. Girls are not joining the today's class. No girl is responding. Sleeping. Hello. Are you there? Hello. Is this my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Why you people are not responding? You are not interested to listen the class. Okay. Now, as per the discussion, how many levels you observed the data? How many levels you observed? Now tell me. Hello. I don't know, yaar. You people are not responding means I can't continue. How many levels of data you observed now as per our discussion? Hello. Shall I end the session? No one is responding means you people are enjoying or sleeping. Shall I end the session? You don't want. Already I told you many times. Response is required. I'm not getting any outcome from you. Are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell
Sir.
me, as per the discussion of this example, how many levels you are observed the data?
3.
Yeah, three, very good, Rohit. What are those? One is at the time of administrative office, you are given your data physically, correct? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah. Logically, based on the department, they segregated the data into departments, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Finally, the end users means users, the end users, maybe the faculty, maybe the HOD, maybe the administrative people, maybe the examination people, or maybe the stationery people, or maybe the placement people, who are going to access data, what they want exactly. Correct? They don't want complete data. They want only their required data, who are suitable for that job. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here now in the same way, the database also having three levels. So there is the levels of abstraction. Sometimes it is called as data abstraction. Same way, the data is having levels of abstraction. I will tell you one by one. Okay, the first one is the physical schema. It is also called as internal level or physical level or physical view. View is nothing but view. You know the meaning of view. Physical schema means the data is stored physically in a database. How the data is stored physically in a database? Already I told you the data is going to stored initially in a internal memory physically. Then it is a complete data. There is no logic. Whatever the basic data is available, everything will be stored or recorded in the sequence of files. So that is going to, with help of data structures, it is going to store in the data. So generally, for example, I will tell you one example also. Now, one shopping mall project you are implemented. In the shopping mall project, basically, we need to store all the data in initially. Yes or no? All items, whatever the items we are going to sell in your shopping mall, all the data it is going to store into the physically in a hard disk. Correct? Otherwise, go to the pharmacy. Whatever the equipment will come regularly, they are going to store first in a database physically. So what is the data it is? Everything it is going to store in a physical. That is called physical schema. Physical, everything must be stored in the physical. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yeah. Later, after storing only, that storekeeper will tell, sir, it is not entered into the database. After entering, I will deliver. Like that, they will tell. Sir, after entering this data in a physical storage, then next level is the conceptual schema. It is also called as logical schema or conceptual view. Means logically, means that particular medicine or drug is related to which type means they are going to maintain different racks. One rack is for maybe the neuro, one rack is for other, one rack is for maybe the other surgery, some rack is for only cosmetics. So they will maintain different slots logically. So they are going to shuffle that particular data in a different different blocks. So that's why yes, that is the data is stored physically. Later it is storing, it is moved to logical where it is exactly. So that is going to convert it into that. Because if you visit any pharmacy, some of the items is having some discount, some are not. So that is based on the their policy that logically they are going to differentiate these items. So like that, any database if you take, for example, students are joined in the college, so we are going to report physically all the students in the admin box. So after that, logically, as per the CSC department, if the student is the CSC, then they are going to send the data to the CSC department. If the student is mechanical, they will send. Means this is the logic in this institute they want to maintain the database. If they want to maintain the pharmacy database, that is another logic. If they want to maintain maybe the shopping mall, maybe the different kids or maybe the men's or women's, they want to segregate. Every data is there in the physically, but logically they will be differentiated. The same way database when you are going to maintain, that is going to done with help of database administrator. Database administrator is going to divide that data which is belongs to which particular data. That is what exactly the logical level. Logically, the data is going to segregate or classify. Now understand physical schema and logical schema.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear this? Very important because if we are going to design any database, compulsory we need to follow these three levels. So based on these three levels only, we are going to implement any database. That will be valid. If you are not following this schema, levels of schema or levels of abstraction, your database is going to failure. Compulsory, any database you are going to design, finally it must match these three levels: physical level, logical level or conceptual level, and final one is external level. Now understood what is physical schema, what is logical schema? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Physical means everything is there, everything is a raw data, anything to that particular database. Here coming to the logically, here also everything is there, but everything in a separate relation. Here related to that category. So for example, one organization database I am going to design. So all the employees I'm going to taking as a physical data. But when comes to the conceptual level, here maybe the this is maybe the manager separate and maybe the HRs are separate, or maybe software developers are separate, or maybe the maybe attendants are separate, or maybe the any other staff, maybe technicians are separate like that. We have to segregate them. Then only the salary hikes and the work distribution and times and designations and procedures and rule regulations are going to differentiate. So based on that only we can extract the data. Understand? So that's why the logic any database if you take everything will be there in the physically in the secondary storage, that is a physical schema or physical level or internal level. So that must be categorized by the database administrator. He is a very important person. He is going to play a key role. He will design the database and classify the data which belongs to which related relation. That is what exactly the DBA. So that is a conceptual level or logical level. It is called as conceptual level or logical level. Understood now? Conceptual level and physical level. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I given 16 databases for year diagram. All 16 databases, we can use these levels of abstraction. We can apply, we can understand how, where, which is the physical schema and which concept is the conceptual and which is the external. So that is also very important. When you are going to design any database, compulsory you must assume the database design must be going to fit into these three levels or not. If any database is not fitting these three levels, your database can't work properly. So every database must fix in these three levels. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear this? Yeah. Now the final level, that is the external level. So already I told you the external level is nothing but we are going to access data from the logical level or conceptual level. There are different people. There are user 1, user 2, Like that, n number of people, they can access the data from the logical view. Here means here this user one is going to access only particular data, user two is going to access another particular data. So like that, every user is having their individual requirements so that they can access their data. Already I told you, for example, if it is a college database, everything will be stored in the physically. Logically, department-wise, it is categorized by database administrator. Now, user one, maybe the placement people wants the students of this particular logical view, only the students who are having the aggregate is above 80. He wants only above 80. Then he will access only the students who are having above 80. The remaining students they don't want. Why should they? No, not required. Only above 80 students they are going to select. Extract means externally what they want. He don't know how many students are there, what are the things are there, nothing. We want only the students who are having above 80. Then user two, maybe the faculty. You want each DBMS for particular CSCA. Here total all students are there. Maybe second year, third year, files, all sections, but the user two wants only second year section, you want to teach DBMS. You will extract only those students. Here, latter user three is there. Maybe the administrative people. You want only the people who are not paid fee, semester fee. You will extract only those students out of all from the department. And user four, if you take, maybe the library. There are people who are not written the books. So we want only that. Maybe the examination grants. We want only the people who are who are having backlogs. Like that, your same database, here externally, so many multiple users they can access, but every user is having its own required data, but he cannot access all the data. He will access only required data. So that's why your external schema is more than one. Here, if you observe the physical schema only one schema, the conceptual schema only one, but the external schema is more than one. There is a chance for external level is more than one because the different users they want to access different data for their requirement. So that when you are going to design any database, the database physically only one and the conceptually only one level, but coming to the external view, okay, external level means your database is going to access by multiple people. For example, go to your uh, uh, Twitter. Maybe the Twitter database physically only once. They will categorize based on the users with help of logical view. But externally, so many people are going to use same database. So like that, anything you can take, hotel management you take, railway reservation you take, anything you can take. When you are going to design, that must be matched to these levels of abstraction. Clear? All of you clear about this? Why external level the schema is more than one? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it audible? What I am telling is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear? Information is clear? Yeah. Your physical schema and conceptual schema only one level, but external schema will have multiple. Why you know? Because end users are going to access their different data. The end user never access all the data. End user is going to access only required data. That is also very important. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Now coming to the physical schema is going to store the complete data with help of data structures in the secondary storage. With help of data structures, it is going to store all the data of the particular database in the secondary storage. That is the duty of physical schema. Then what is the logical schema? Logical schema is nothing but logically how data is going to store with help of SQL programming language. That is data definition language, data manipulation language, and data control language. Using these SQL language, under this, you know already these three. Use this and they are going to design the database. So that is the job of database administrator. Database administrator, you can use SQL language, that is a structural query language, data definition, DDL, data manipulation, DML, data control language, DCL. Control means controlling. Which data is going to use by which data is going to use by which. Your placement officer, they can view only above 80 data. He cannot access other than that. He is girl, he is boy also, he cannot access. He can access only, he is a student, he is having above 80%. That is enough. Okay, even they cannot share any data. Even sometimes I don't want to share students' phone numbers also to particular group. That is also done by database administrator in the conceptual level, in the logical level. Understood everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the external level, already I told you. Here, now here it is querying. QUERY, querying. Nothing but we are going to access only the particular data. Using querying, we are going to access the particular data, particular user wants particular data. I want only the students who are having above 80%. So that query you have to give to user one by database administrator. You will access only that data. So you want the students who are having backlogs. I want to conduct supplementary. You want only second year AFS student, you want to conduct the classwork. You want third years to conduct the machine learning. You want only the students, maybe the who are having fee dues. So like that, the different people are going to access different data. Because sometimes some student is done some issue in the college premises, director want to access that particular student out. So like that, here we have so many external users on the particular database. If that external user will access only required information, cannot access all the information with the help of querying. Clear? All of you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a group of users. Okay, right. Now, always one more thing also I will clarify here. When we, along with this information, we will discuss some more important points here. Now, always, for example, he wants above 80 aggregate students. This is the one. Now he is going to query into logical schema. The logical schema again logically search the data in the physical schema. Now from physical schema logically with help of SQL query, the data back from here. If the data is available, it will be back. If the data is not available, it will show null result. Now data back to from logical schema to external schema. So like that, so for every individual user, you want particular data is going to query into logical schema. Logical schema is extracted data from the physical schema and get back to particular user as per his requirement. So this is the procedure. If in this observation, the logical schema is the interpreter between external user and physical schema, external view and physical view, or external schema or physical schema. It is an interpreter. It is logically it is going to extract what data exactly they want. Correct. That logical schema cannot provide total database to end user. Exactly what data they want, it is going to provide that data. Even whatever the query is given by the end user, same query it is going to perform on the physical schema. Based on that, related information will be transferred to the external schema. Now, what happened? We are not giving the data to everyone so that our data is secure. Because that person is only for placement, you want only that. We are giving that data only. We are not sharing all the information. So that the data is more secure. And the data and performing so many actions are moving on the same data. Maybe the class teacher, or maybe the HOD, maybe the director, maybe the placement officer, maybe the examination coordinator, maybe the etc. 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 So you can perform all the end user actions on the same database at the same time. It will be work so that there I am doing multiple jobs. It can be the concurrency mechanism. Concurrently, we are processing data so that it is providing the security and it is providing the concurrency mechanism. And even it is not scattering the data. Whatever the data they want, they will access. So that this levels of abstraction is very, very important when we are going to design the good database. If the database, whatever you are designing, you must follow this levels of abstraction because your database is right. Your database is going to provide security and good way of implementation of applications. Clear now? Levels of abstractions are clear. Data abstraction or levels of abstraction or view of data. Is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next topic? Any doubt is there? Is there any doubt? Hello? I am not getting any response from you. Only one guy is responding. Is there any doubt
No, sir.
from this topic, levels of abstraction? Very important. Means you are going to apply every database on this levels of abstraction. Is it clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Bhargav Shankar.
Sir, can you give me some more examples on this physical schema and conceptual schema?
Sure, whatever the 16 databases I have given, you can apply all 16 databases on this. Can you tell out of 16 databases, any database you tell me, I will explain. Bhargav Shankar.
Yeah,
Hello.
yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah, give me one. What you want exact. Out of 16 is more. Out of 16, tell me one database. I will explain with that.
like banking, sir. Bank.
Bank. Okay, right. Very good. Coming to the bank, you know, every individual customer is going to store. Customer in the sense, maybe the borrower, maybe the saving account, maybe the online account, maybe the some so many different types of account people are there. Even agriculture, so many different categories of people are the customers for the bank. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, all the categories of customers. Maybe the gold loan, bike loan. So many people are there. Borrowers. I cannot tell all, but more people are there. Maybe some of the saving customers, some of the loan people, personal loan people, some are credit card related people. So all are customers to that particular bank. Yes or no? Accepted?
Yes, sir.
So all are related to this physical schema. Physical schema is going to maintain all the data. Maybe the insurance, maybe the health insurance, maybe the bike insurance, maybe the credit cards, maybe the savings account, uh, maybe the business accounts, or maybe the this agricultural account, maybe the loan on agricultural land, loan on gold. Maybe the, some people nowadays even gold loans also there, gold investments also there in the bank, and so many are there. Yes or no? Insurance policies are there. All the people are customers of that particular bank. So that the physical schema contains all the customers' information. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the conceptual schema. What is the conceptual schema? Here, this conceptual schema is going to categorize the customers as per their maybe the service. Maybe the all agriculture people may be one category. All maybe the credit card people into one category because different departments are there. Do you know that?
Yes,
Based
sir.
on this logical schema, only, database administrator will perform this job, and all savings account people are one category. All borrowers, maybe the loan for a personal loan or a gold loan is separate, personal loan, like that, they are going to categorize the particular physical schema into logical schema. Because if it is a physical schema, we are going to use directly, we have to search all the people. For example, one customer has came, you want to pay his credit card bill complete, you want to clear complete credit card bill. If I use only physical schema, what happened? I have to search all the people to find that person. Yes or no? Since all the people
Yes,
means
sir.
I have to search savings customers and this agriculture people and credit card people and the gold loan, all people I need to search all the database. But when I know that if the person wanted to clear his credit card due, then I will search only that credit card data. That is very easy for me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is fast also. Okay, so that logical schema is divided into categories of customers. Then external users. The external users are nothing but the bank, maybe the customers, maybe the bank manager, maybe that cashier, maybe the account creator, etc., 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 whatever the people are there. Here, all are working from external view only. You cannot work with physical stuff. Please remember. Here, from external things view only, the data is coming to logically, and that is stored into the physical. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Understood now, Bhargav Shankar? Whatever your expected thing. Even you can ask more also, I will tell you. Any other example?
Thank you, sir.
Enough?
Yes, sir. Enough.
Hello? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
enough?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bhargav Shankar. Yeah. Yeah, same way you can apply all whatever the 16 databases I told you. You can apply all the databases with particular levels of abstraction. Why? Because finally we are going to design the database for end users, not for our purpose. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it audible? Everyone. We have to design the database for end users, customers. Now, so whatever the database you are designing, that must be securable and that must be accessed by different people. Different people will access in different way. Yes or no? For example, in a bank, you are the savings account holder. You can access, I think, any day only 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh. Yes or no? As a savings account customer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Do you know this? Hello? Here, generally, that business account holder people, that is a current account, I think, current account, they can access lakhs, 50 lakhs, code also at a time, one code also. Yeah, that is the based on their credentials given by the database administrator. And even nowadays, we can withdraw only 20,000 at a time from the account as a savings customer. But that is another category of customers. They can withdraw more amount, more than 20 hours. So that is users, external users are different. As per your example, bank, they can segregate. Database administrator will do that. So earlier we can draw any amount, but as per the government rules, database administrator will fix the things. And now we are going to follow that rules only. Now that is only because of this structure is available. Data levels of abstraction is available. Anything you want to apply, a new thing you want to apply, you can apply. It will be helpful for any type of application. Clear? All of you clear about this levels of abstraction? Still any example you want? Hello? All of you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Levels of abstraction is clear, everyone.
Sir.
Hello. Is this my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now clear this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Now coming to the next topic, instance and schema. Sir, I will end with the instance and schema because it is very important. It is not there in your syllabus, but these words we are going to use regularly. What is instance? What is schema? Simple. I will tell you, for example, serial number. Forget about serial number. For example, I want the information from you, all ticket number, name, and phone number, and mail ID. For example, you can take more fields also. I have taken only four for the time. Now, I given this sheet to you. Enter your data. If I ask enter your data, then how are you going to write here? Hello? Tell me fast. What information you are going to write here? You are started writing off your information. Now, what information you are going to write in this field? All ticket number. Tell me, hello. Is this screen is visible? Time is wasting, all of you. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, people, why you are not responding? Now I want to write, for example, cities came to you. Now you want to write here. What information you are going to write? Tell me. Now your field hall ticket number. What hall ticket number I am going to write here? Tell me your hall ticket number.
Roll numbers.
Last 3 digits. Tell me your hall ticket number, yaar. Last 3 digits. Tell me.
197 R. One is
Don't waste the time. Last 2 digits. A0. Someone is
51.
outside. He is unmuting his mic. Sorry.
551.
Here I am sincerely requesting everyone respond quickly and unnecessarily waste my time and your time. Follow the things. Ask me any doubts. I will explain. Shubham, tell me 51. Then your name is
Shubhashish.
and your phone number is something. Mail ID is something. Tell me. Here, one more way. Tell me quickly. One more.
52, sir. 52.
62. Name. What is your name?
Naveen. Naveen, sir.
Naveen phone number something. You have written. Here like that, whatever the here this field is there, same information you are writing. Instead of writing 62, you are going to write Naveen here. Instead of hall ticket number, can you write hall ticket number name here? Naveen here.
No, sir.
Instead of 62, can you write Naveen here?
No.
No. Why? You people are going to write the data based on this data. Based on this data, you are writing. Hall ticket number means you have to write hall ticket number. Name means name. Phone number means phone number. Mail ID means mail ID. That information only we are going to write. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this is called as schema. High level data is called as schema. Already I told you earlier, metadata, data about data. Whatever the data you want to write, that is based on this data. This schema also called as meta data. Data about data. Are you clear? Schema is nothing but high level data. That is also called as metadata or data about data. Even it is also called as abstract data. Abstract means main, base data. So based on this only you are going to fill your data. Are you clear? Are you clear everyone? What is the schema? Schema is nothing but high level
Yes,
data
sir.
or metadata, abstract data. Clear this? Clear this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, right. Now coming to what is this? Yeah, this is a instance, nothing but low level data. This is high level data and this is low level data and also it is called as instance. Why it is a instance? Here because here now the two records is there. After some time this sheet is forwarded to another student, maybe the 63. He is going to enter. So earlier only two records are there. After some time three records. So instead of in this time, how many records are there? Three records. In this time means instance. That's why it is an instance. The particular time, in this instance, I am having three records. In this instance, means in this particular time, the data is three. But after some time, maybe some more guy is going to enter. That's why that's another instance. Means that the low level data is always going to change time to time. So that's why it is a instance. Understand now instance and schema, everyone? There always
Yes, sir.
schema is fixed. Instance is going to change. And instance always depending on the schema. Schema never depends on the instance. Instance is always depending on the schema. Instance is going to change time to time because the time to time we are going to enter. Sometimes we are going to delete the data also. So we don't know. That's why always you have to ask instance. In this instance, always we to tell, in this instance, my database is like this. In this, why? Because when you are going to enter one pharmacy, now you have taken one tablet from that, the one drug you have taken. Here your record is entered. In that time, that up to you the record. After some time, again you are returned the drug back. I don't want this. So the record is deleted. Means that instance again is changing the data. Always the instance is going to change the database always. The schema never change. And instance always based on the schema. Why? Because whatever the record you are entering in a low level, that must be depending on the schema. What is this? What is this? What is this? That's why the instance is always depending on the schema. Now clear everyone what is instance and what is the schema?
Yes, sir.
Schema. Don't confuse, it is a high level data. All of you clear this instance and schema? All of you clear this instance of schema?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah, even you people are implementing ER diagrams, right? You people are implementing ER diagrams, right? Hello?
Yes.
You people are implementing ER diagrams or not? No response, yeah. Some people already forwarded by mail. Yeah. In that, we are identifying attributes, right, for every entity.
Yes, sir.
You people are identified some attributes for every entity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those attributes also schema. Yes or no? But high level data only, right? For example, student entity or identified attributes. Student hall ticket number, student name, student mail ID, student father name, all these are high level data. That is a schema. Clear? Clear. Now understood schema and instance. Hello? All of you understood schema and instance and levels of abstraction. Today's class is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this
Sir, yes.
clear about today's class, everyone? Yeah. So please prepare and